Tired of tax apps that promise free filing, then hit you with surprise fees at the end? When you file through Chime, free means free. No upsells, no gotchas, no last-minute add-ons. Just easy, guaranteed, accurate filing for both federal and state, and your federal refund up to 5 days early with direct deposit. Welcome to Tax Season Unlocked. Hey, I'm Edgar, a Chime member since 2020. Now let's walk you through how it works to file your taxes through Chime. To start, we'll ask for your first and last name and an email to connect you to your account. Next, we'll ask for your date of birth, a phone number, social security number, a valid US address, and for you to create a password. We use this information to protect your account, mail you your cards, and keep in touch. Once you're in the Chime app, scroll to the taxes section on your homepage. This is your tax filing hub. If you need to take a break mid-filing, don't worry. The app saves your progress. You'll see your filing in progress in the upcoming section when you come back. When you start your return, Chime connects you with our trusted tax partner. If you filed through Chime last year, great. You can upload last year's return to speed things up. If not, you can upload a PDF of your previous tax return to get started faster. Before you file, gather the essentials so nothing slows you down. Here's what you'll typically need. You'll need wage forms, W-2s from employers, 1099s if you worked freelance or received other income. And if you have deductions or credits like education, medical, childcare, make sure you have those documents too. Next, you can access e-filing through the Chime app, where you'll connect with our tax partner for both federal and state returns. Once submitted, you'll see your expected refund in the taxes section. The IRS usually takes about 21 days to process returns, but through Chime, you could get your federal tax refund up to 5 days early when you direct deposit it. So what exactly makes filing taxes through Chime special? Well, first off, 100% free filing for federal and state, and no surprises. Get your maximum refund 100% guaranteed. We guarantee accurate calculations, and if the IRS finds an error, you're protected up to $10,000. You get free, unlimited tax filing support. It covers most common tax situations like salary and self-employed income, unemployed income, crypto or stock sales, and more. So there you go. File your taxes online for free through Chime. Get your federal refund up to 5 days earlier and get your max refund with 100% accuracy guaranteed. Through Chime, it's not a refund, it's a free fund. Download the app now or log in if you're already a member. Go to taxes and file free, fast, and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chime guides, and thanks for watching.